Yes, now we are in the chapter of cross product of vectors. Among cross product of vectors, until yesterday we have discussed about concept and level 1 classwork and level 1 homework. Let us discuss about level 2 classwork here. Cross product of vectors. Among the chapter, level 1 classwork, level 1 homework completed. Level 2 classwork today will handle. Later, level 3. Level 2 classwork. Let us discuss about first sum. 3 vectors A bar, B bar, C bar such that A cross B equal to 3 into A cross C. This is the given data. Given data is A bar cross B bar is equal to 3 into A bar cross C bar. Also he given modulus of A bar is equal to 1. So it is a unit vector, and modulus of B bar equal to 1 and modulus of C bar is equal to 1 by 3. Angle between B bar and C bar also he given. Angle between B bar and C bar is equal to 60 degrees. Then he given. Then we should calculate according to options. A cross B is equal to 3 into A cross C he given. So let us write here A cross B minus 3 into A cross C. Minus 3 into A cross C is equal to 0 bar. It is a null vector. If we take common A bar, then you can write here A bar cross B bar minus 3C bar equal to 0 bar. So whenever the cross product is 0 between two vectors, we can say that the two vectors are parallel. So A bar is equal to B bar minus 3C bar into lambda. Otherwise, B bar minus 3C bar is equal to lambda A bar also we can write. A bar is equal to B bar minus 3C into lambda. It is a scalar. We had written here if two vectors are parallel, one vector can be expressed as a scalar product of the other. So A bar is equal to B bar minus 3C bar into lambda. If we take here squaring both sides, modulus of A bar square is equal to, here you can write modulus of B bar square plus 9 into modulus of C bar square minus 6 A bar dot C bar. No, B bar dot C bar. 6 B bar dot C bar. 6 into B bar dot C bar. So what is the value mod A given as 1? So 1 is equal to 1 plus 9 into 1 by 9 minus 6 into dot product definition. We can write mod B into mod C into cos of B comma C. So 9 and 9 get cancelled here, 1 and 1 also get cancelled. So you can write here 6 into 1 into 1 by 3 cos 60 degrees. So lambda we forgot here. You can write here lambda square. Lambda square. We should not get cancelled like that. Lambda square into this one is there. Let us write this one. Mod A square is equal to 1. Mod A square is equal to 1. You can write here lambda square into mod B square 1 plus 9 into 1 by 9 minus 6 into mod B into mod C into cos 60 degrees. So 1 is equal to lambda square into here 9 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 becomes 2 minus 6 into here 1 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 you can write here 2 3s are 6 get cancelled. 2 minus 1 that becomes 1. So 1 is equal to lambda square into 1 we got. So lambda square is equal to 1, lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. If you take positive, let it be first equation. If we take positive, lambda is equal to 1. From 1 we can write here. From 1, A bar is equal to B bar minus 3C bar. That implies, according to option I am writing, B bar is equal to, this is 3C bar, B bar is equal to A bar plus 3C bar. This is the option. Minus also you can take, students, but according to option only plus we have taken. First one completed, let us finish let us complete it. Second question, let A bar, B bar, C bar be unit vectors. A bar, B bar, C bar be unit vectors such that A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot C bar. That means A bar and B bar perpendicular, A bar and C bar also perpendicular. Given data, I am writing A bar, B bar, C bar be unit vectors. So mod A is equal to 1, mod B is equal to 1, mod C is equal to 1. A bar dot B bar equal to A bar dot C bar. A bar dot B bar is equal to 0 he given, and A bar dot C bar equal to also 0, and the angle between B and C is pi by 6. B bar comma C bar angle is pi by 6 between the two vectors B bar and C bar, and A bar equal to n into B cross C he given, n into B cross C. Also he given the value A bar is equal to n into B cross C. So what is the value of n he is asking. If we take squaring both sides, modulus A square, modulus x square equal to n square into, you can take modulus here, mod b square into, the definition I am writing, mod b square into sin of b comma c. Mod a square value 1, and this is n square into, this is also 1, this is also 1, sin square 30, sin square 30 value 1 by 4. So n square equal to 4, therefore n is equal to plus or minus 2, that's all. So there is no need about the given data A dot B equal to 0 and B dot C equal to 0, no need that one. Third one, A bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k. B bar is equal to pi plus j plus qk. He given p cross a is equal to 0. Given value b cross a, b bar cross a bar equal to 0 bar. Whenever the cross product of two vectors is 0, we can say that the two vectors are parallel or collinear. Whenever two vectors are parallel or collinear, we confirm that the two vectors in the proportion value, in the same proportion value. So compare, using here I am writing b bar parallel to a bar. That implies compare the value here, 2 by p is equal to 1 by 1 equal to 3 by q, simple IP sum. So cross multiplication, by cross multiplication you can get p by 2 equal to 1, p by 2 equal to 1, q by 3 equal to 1. Therefore p comma q he is asking, p comma q is equal to 2 comma 3, that's all. Next. Fourth question, using Lagrange's identity we can calculate. The data he given, mod A is equal to 2 and mod B is equal to 4. Then he is asking modulus of A cross B whole square by 1 minus cos square A comma B. Modulus of A is equal to 2. Modulus of B is equal to 4. Find modulus of A cross B whole square by 1 minus cos square of A bar comma B bar. Using Lagrange's identity, modulus of A cross B whole square is equal to, formula we know that modulus of A cross B whole square is equal to modulus of A square into modulus of B square into sin square A comma B by, what is the value of 1 minus cos square theta? So it is also sin square a comma b. This will be getting cancelled. Mod a value 2 he given. So it is 4 and this is 16. 4 16 just 64. That's all. Next let us discuss about fifth one. Fifth question. Let a, b, c he given 3 vectors. The vector satisfies the condition r cross b is equal to b cross c cross b. Given data, once again I am writing. Given a bar is equal to 2i plus k. A bar equal to 2i plus k, comma b bar is equal to I plus j plus k. B bar equal to I plus j plus k. And c bar is equal to 4i minus 3j plus 7k. 4i minus 3j plus 7k. Be 3 vectors, the vector satisfies condition and the given condition which the vectors are satisfying r bar cross b bar. R bar cross b bar is equal to c bar cross b bar and r bar dot a bar is equal to 0. This is the condition. Then we should calculate the value which satisfies r cross. Let a, b, c 3 vectors, the vector satisfies r. So r cross b is equal to c cross b and r dot a is equal to 0 he given. Then we should calculate the vector r. Let us discuss about this one. R bar cross b bar minus c bar cross b bar equal to 0. If you take common, it becomes this side. Then you can write here r bar minus c bar cross b bar equal to 0 bar. It is a null vector. Then you can say that r bar minus c bar parallel to b bar. Whenever the two vectors cross product is 0, we can say that they are parallel. Then you can say here r bar minus c bar is equal to lambda into b bar. R bar is equal to c bar plus lambda b bar. Let it be first equation, it will be useful. R bar equal to c plus lambda b we got. Using the condition r bar dot a bar equal to 0, that implies the value here c bar plus lambda b bar. C bar plus lambda b bar dot a bar equal to 0. That implies c bar dot a bar. Now we can write here c bar dot a bar plus lambda into b bar dot a bar equal to 0. What is the c bar dot a bar? We can multiply these two vectors. C dot a means 2 4s are 8 minus j no need and 7 here. 2 4s are 8. C bar dot a bar I am writing 8 plus 7, this is 15 plus lambda into b bar dot a bar. If you multiply these two vectors, 4 minus 3 plus 7, 4 minus 3 plus 7. So what is the value? 4 minus 3, 1 plus 7, 8. B bar dot c bar I done, b bar dot a bar you should do. B bar dot a bar, what is the value of b bar dot a? This one, 2 plus 1, it is 3. 2 plus 1, it is 3. So b bar dot a bar equal to 2 plus 1. Now 15 plus 3 lambda equal to 0, then lambda will be getting minus 5. Substitute the value lambda is equal to minus 5 in 1 we get. From 1 I am writing r bar is equal to c bar minus 5b bar. So what is the value of c and minus 5b? So r bar is equal to c here 4i minus 3j. 4i minus 3j plus 7k minus 5b minus 5i minus 5j minus 5k. So r bar you can write r bar is equal to minus I bar minus I, this is minus 3, so minus 8 minus I bar minus 8j minus 8k. The question minus I minus 8j plus 2k he got 7 minus 5. Yes, it is plus 2k. Another method is also there to do this sum. Just a simple I said method here. So here plus 2k. Another method is that simply verification the given options. As r dot a equal to 0, immediately you will be getting maybe two options. Then you can verify r cross b is equal to c cross b using the cross product definition, finding the determinant values. So it is better method. This is lengthy method. You can do the verification method. Now let us discuss about sixth question. A plus b cross a minus b, like that. The cyclic expression he given. A plus b cross a minus b plus b plus c cross b minus c, like that. Sixth one. A bar plus b bar. Vectors. A bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar plus b bar plus c bar cross b bar minus c bar plus c bar plus a bar. It is a cyclic expression he given. Cross c bar minus a bar. Students, this is not into, don't get confused and don't write as a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. You should not write like that. A plus b cross a minus b plus b plus c cross b minus c plus c plus a cross c minus a. Now, using the cross product multiplication, you write a cross a. No need to write a cross a, becomes 0. Minus a bar cross b bar here. Minus a bar cross b bar. Next step, b bar cross a bar. It's okay. Minus b cross b, no need to write. Here also b cross b, don't write. Now you can write minus b cross c. Minus b cross c. Next plus c cross b. Plus c cross b. Minus b cross c plus c cross b. Next c cross a, no need to write. Minus c cross a. Minus c bar cross a bar. Plus a bar cross c bar. Now you can understand that minus, if you take minus in this, it becomes minus a cross b. If you take minus in this, you can understand minus b cross c. You can take here minus this side. I mean changing the direction. If you change the direction, it becomes in cross product, it becomes here minus c cross a. So you can say that directly that minus 2 for everything. This is minus, this becomes minus, 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 minus. Total overall for everything minus will be getting. Then common you take as minus and you write here minus of a cross b plus b cross c plus c cross a. This is the required answer. Sixth question completed. Seventh one. Seventh one, vector, area and area. Regarding area, he is giving A, B are such that mod A bar is equal to root 3. Mod A bar equal to root 3 and mod B is equal to 2 he given. Mod A root 3 and mod B is equal to 2. Next one, A bar comma B bar, that is angle between the two vectors A bar B bar given as pi by 3. Then area of triangle with adjacent sides. Area of triangle with adjacent sides. Area of triangle formula 1 by 2 into adjacent side cross adjacent side. This is area of triangle. Adjacent sides also given as A bar plus 2B bar. This one. A bar plus 2B bar. Next one he given as 2A bar plus B bar. 2A plus B. So area of triangle, area is equal to 1 by 2 into, is asking simply area. So you should put mod here. If he is asking about vector area, you should not put mod here. Here you write 1 by 2 AB cross AC. Then we can say that 1 by 2 into AB means he given that A bar plus 2B bar. A bar plus 2B bar cross 2A bar plus B bar. So you can write now that is equal to 1 by 2 into cross product. You should do 2 into A cross A. No need to write then you can write here A bar cross B bar plus 2 2s are 4 B bar cross A bar. 4 into B bar cross A bar. So you can write here 3 by 2 into modulus of B cross A or A cross B. Minus 4A cross by D10. Otherwise minus B cross A you can write. 3 by 2 into B cross A. This is magnitude area. Then you can say that 3 by 2 into modulus of B into modulus of A into sine of B comma A or sine of A comma B. That is equal to 3 by 2 into modulus B value 2 and modulus A value root 3 into sine pi by 3. What is the value of sine? This 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Here 3 into root 3 into sine pi by 2 value root 3 by 2. So 3 3s are 9 by 2 answer. 9 by 2 square units is the area of the given triangle having adjacent sides. Next, let us discuss about 7th question. 7th completed. 8th one. 8th one is given about the data of area of quadrilateral. Whenever he given area of quadrilateral, you should read the question whether it is parallelogram or simply quadrilateral. About area of a quadrilateral, if he given about diagonals, the formula is 1 by 2 AC cross BD. If he given about adjacent sides, the formula area of parallelogram is simply A bar cross B bar. Now we are discussing about ABCD quadrilateral, AB, AD, BAC. 3 sides are given. ABCD is AB, AC, AB, AD, AC. If the area of parallelogram ABCD is P times the area of parallelogram AB comma AD as adjacent sides, then P is dash. AB, first let us write the data. AB is equal to A bar. Next, AD is equal to B bar. Next one, AC is equal to 2A bar plus 3B bar. If the area of parallelogram ABCD is P times the area of parallelogram with AB, AD as adjacent sides. So, without adjacent side, first we can write. Without adjacent side means with the diagonals you can say. If the area of parallelogram ABCD is P times the area of parallelogram with AB, AD as adjacent sides, let it be area 1. Area 1 we can take as A's diagonals. Parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Using that one we can say, we can calculate area 1 as diagonals. Next to this area as adjacent sides. AB, AD adjacent sides. Same data. AB equal to A bar we can write. AB equal to A bar and AD is equal to B bar. Here AC he given as 2A bar plus 3B bar. Now we can calculate BD. This is area 1 I am writing, this is area 2. Area 1 and area 2. Area 1, A1 I am writing 1 by 2 AC cross BD. So let us calculate the value BD. Using the parallelogram property, you can say that BD is equal to BA plus AD. What is BA? It is minus A. So minus A plus B. So B bar minus A bar we can write. Then area 1 I am writing as 1 by 2 into AC cross BD. 1 by 2 into AC cross BD. Vector area only we should compare. 1 by 2 into AC. AC means 2A plus 3B he given. 2A bar plus 3B bar. Cross B bar minus A bar. This is area 1. Area 2, this is A bar he given, this is B bar he given. Simply you can write here area of parallelogram having adjacent sides is a formula simply A bar cross B bar. So no need to calculate here. You should get the answer A1 in terms of A2, then you will be getting the answer. That implies A1 I am writing here while calculating 1 by 2 into 2A cross B. 1 by 2 into here 2A cross B 2 into A cross B I am writing, minus A cross A, don't write. B cross B also no need to write. Minus 3 into B cross A. Minus 3 into B cross A I am writing as 3 plus 3 into A cross B. So you can write here 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into A bar cross B bar. So find here. Find A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into A bar cross B bar is first area and simply A cross B is second area. I think he put the name this one as a P. So the value of P is 5 by 2. 8th one completed. Next, 9th question. 9th question. Geometrical application of cross product. A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar cross D bar. It is a first equation. Next, A bar cross C bar is equal to B bar cross D bar. It is a second equation. If we write here, taking these two equations, we should get the option. A bar cross B bar minus C bar cross D bar equal to 0 bar. A bar cross D bar, we can do one thing. A bar cross B bar minus C, let us write here also the data. A bar cross C bar minus B bar cross D bar. Here A bar cross B bar minus C bar, A cross C data and B minus D. A cross A bar cross C bar, if we write plus D cross B, we cannot take common anything. If we take B minus C, A minus C, right? A bar cross B bar, the data let us read. A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar cross D bar and A bar cross C bar is equal to B bar cross D bar given. Like this will not get, we may not get. We can do one thing. It is first equation. Now let us do 1 minus 2. A bar cross B bar minus A bar cross C bar. Okay, now we may get A bar cross B bar minus LHS and RHS minus RHS. C bar cross D bar minus B bar cross D bar. That implies if we take A bar common, then you can write here B bar minus C bar. Okay. Next, if you take C bar minus B bar, I am writing D bar taken common. C bar minus B bar. Now we can write here A bar cross B bar minus C bar is equal to, we can do one thing. Here D bar cross C bar minus, better to multiply. If we take minus here, we can write B bar minus C bar cross D bar. Next step, A bar cross B bar minus C bar is equal to, this minus taken this side, you can do one thing. D bar cross B bar minus C bar. If B bar minus C bar taken this side, B bar minus C bar taken this side, A cross this one taken this side. A cross B minus C minus of D cross B minus C. Minus of D cross B minus C equal to 0. Then if we take B minus C, it is also not possible. D minus C, now minus of is okay. A cross, if we want to take B minus C, okay, we got A minus D, we can write here. A minus D cross second vector taken common here. So we can write A minus D cross B minus C. So we can say that whenever cross product of two vectors is 0, then A bar minus D bar parallel to B bar minus C bar. A bar minus D bar parallel to B bar minus C bar. Okay, first option we got. Next, let us discuss the 10th question. A bar, B bar, C bar with three vectors. such that mod A plus B plus C is equal to 1 he given. So total magnitude of the summation of the three vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 1, 10th one. A bar, B bar, C bar, such that he given the magnitude, given I am writing, the given data, magnitude of every vector he given, modulus of A bar equal to 1 by root 2 and modulus of B bar is equal to 1 by root 3 and modulus of C bar equal to 1 by root 6 and A bar plus B bar plus C bar over modulus of total modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to 1 and C bar is equal to he given C bar is equal to lambda into A bar cross B bar, lambda into A bar cross B bar. We can try to understand that I cross J is equal to K, J cross K is equal to I and K cross I is equal to J. Then we conclude that IJ are perpendicular to K, JK are perpendicular to K are perpendicular to J. So XY, YZ, ZX are mutually perpendicular. We can say that here, he given the data C bar is equal to lambda A bar, lambda into A cross B. So C bar is perpendicular, C bar is parallel to the vector A cross B. That means C bar is perpendicular to A and C bar is perpendicular to B. That is the condition here. Here condition I am writing. Condition C bar is perpendicular to A, then C bar is perpendicular to B. This meaning itself is always I am saying A cross B is the vector which is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. Here both means the vector lambda into, this is scalar, anything, no problem. If the two vectors are parallel, we can write one vector is scalar product of the other. Therefore, we conclude that C bar perpendicular to A and C bar perpendicular to B. Then we may get the answer C dot A equal to 0 and C dot B equal to 0. Now, which one you should calculate? Modulus angle between A and B. Okay, angle between A and B. Now I am writing. Now let us consider A bar plus B bar plus C bar whole square is equal to 1 because here this square I have taken. Now you write the formula modulus of A square plus modulus of B square plus modulus of C square plus 2 into AB, 2 into A bar dot B bar plus 2 into B bar dot C bar plus 2 into C bar dot A bar equal to 1, not 0. Mod A square he given, mod A he given as 1 by root 2, we can write here 1 by 2, mod B square 1 by root 3, we can write here 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 6 plus 2 into, now we can write A bar dot B bar formula modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos theta, the angle between the two vectors equal to 1 because now we concluded here C dot B is equal to 0 and C dot A is equal to 0. So these two vectors are 0, no need to write here. Now we can apply the value 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Maybe take an LCM, it becomes 6, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, 6 by 6 plus 2 into, once again we should add the value magnitude 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 3 into cos theta equal to 1. What is the value here? 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 6 by 6, 1, 6 by 6, 1, 1 and 1 will be getting cancelled, theta may be pi by 2. The angle, that's all, theta pi by 2 because here it is 6 by 6, 1 and this 1 and this 1 will be getting cancelled. So cos theta is equal to 0, therefore you can write theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. So A cross B we cannot decide here. If we can decide here, shortcut will be possible. Because A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A and B, but we cannot say properly. Next, 11th question. Whenever C perpendicular to A, whenever C perpendicular to B, if mutually perpendicular concept is there, then we can say directly A bar perpendicular to B bar, then angle A comma B is equal to 90 also. It is shortcut, but this is right way because using the magnitude also should do. Next, let us discuss about 11th question. 11th question, A bar cross B bar is equal to C bar. A bar cross B bar equal to C bar and B bar cross C bar equal to A bar given. Then according to option we should calculate. A bar cross B bar is same concept. A cross B is equal to C. Then you can say that C bar perpendicular to A bar, C bar perpendicular to B bar. Here B bar, what is the directly we got? B bar perpendicular to A bar, B bar perpendicular to A bar and C bar perpendicular to A bar already we got here. Therefore we can say that A bar comma B bar comma C bar are mutually orthogonal vectors or mutually perpendicular vectors. Mutually orthogonal vectors. Whenever A cross B is equal to C given, you should understand the concept I cross J is equal to K concept. Now I am saying A bar, B bar, C bar are mutually perpendicular. Then mutually perpendicular, how many options are? Orthogonal pairs, it means mutually perpendicular is orthogonal pairs. Orthogonal pairs, total 2 options are there. So according to this magnitude you should calculate. Orthogonal pairs and mutually perpendicular means here C perpendicular to A perpendicular to C, B perpendicular to A perpendicular to B, like that. Mutually perpendicular is here given as orthogonal pairs. Orthogonal pairs are A bar comma B bar comma C bar. I mean A bar B bar, B bar C bar, C bar B bar. Next let us discuss about magnitude. Now let take this one as 1. From 1 I am writing here. Using 1, modulus of A into modulus of B. Modulus of A into modulus of B into sin of A comma B is equal to modulus of C. Using 2 I am writing from 2. From 2. Here you can write modulus of B into modulus of C into sin of B comma C is equal to A bar. This is 2. Now I am writing 1 into 2. 1 into 2. We know that the angle between A bar and B bar is equal to 90. Whenever it is 90, sin 90 becomes 1. BC angle also 90, sin B comma C becomes 1. So we can write here, whenever we multiply both sides, A bar dot B bar into B bar dot C bar is equal to C bar dot A bar. Here you can get cancelled C, then you can say that modulus of B square equal to 1 mod B is equal to 1. Whenever mod B is equal to 1, if you substitute the value here, you may get the value mod A equal to mod C. Mod A equal to mod C also here. Mod A equal to mod C and modulus of A B is equal to 1. Mod A equal to mod C. Once again, if you substitute the value, if mod A, once again we can write here mod A into mod C whole square is equal to 0, mod A equal to 0 or mod B equal to 0. Whenever mod A equal to 0 it becomes null vector. Here it is not possible. So the magnitude should be equal to 1. Once again verify the option. Mod B is equal to 1, how many options are there? Only first option, verified first option. So you can say that the 3 vectors are pairwise perpendicular, they are orthogonal mutually and they are unit vectors. 11th question completed. Let us discuss about 12th question. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar. It is a null vector. Summation of 3 vectors is given as 0 bar. 12th one. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar. A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar is equal to 0 bar. Now he is asking about A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar plus B bar A bar cross B. A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar is equal to L into B cross C. Then what is the value of L? What is the value of L? So A plus 2B plus 3C. Now let us consider from 1 I am writing. From 1. So every term we should get in terms of L into B cross C. So L into B cross C. A bar plus 2B bar is equal to minus 3C bar I am writing. Then in B cross C we should get the value. Now multiply by B bar both sides. Right? Multiply by B bar both sides. So we can say that A bar plus 2B bar cross B bar is equal to minus 3 into C cross B. Minus 3 into C cross B. That implies, now you can write here A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar is equal to 3 into B cross C. 3 into B cross C. It is a first equation. Let it be, this is second equation. This to find out L value. Let it be third equation. Next, once again you take, now I am writing A bar plus 2B bar is equal to 3C bar. Every term we should get into the terms of B cross C. So A bar, instead of A cross B, you can substitute 3B cross C. B cross C becomes like that. So C cross A we should multiply. So A plus 3C we can take. A plus 3C is equal to minus 2B you write. Now I am writing multiply C bar both sides. Multiply by C bar. So here you can write A bar cross C bar is equal to minus 2 into B bar cross C bar. We need here C cross A. Then you can say that C bar cross A bar is equal to 2 into B cross. See here taken minus both sides. 2 into B cross C. Sub the all values in second equation writing. Sub into. What is the value of substituting in 2? The values instead of A cross B and instead of C cross A also should substitute. Instead of A cross B we got the value 3 into B cross C, plus here B cross C no need to change, plus here we got 2 into B cross C is equal to L into B cross C. He given 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6. B cross C. Okay. 6 into B cross C. 6 into B cross C equal to L into B cross C. So L equal to 6. According to option 12th question, third option he given L equal to 6, correct. Let us discuss the same method question in level 3, 11th one is there. Level 3, 11th one. If level 3, same model, level 3, 11th question let us discuss. A bar plus MB bar plus NC bar equal to 0 bar. A bar plus MB bar plus NC bar equal to 0. The value of is asking. Value of A bar cross B bar. Value of A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. Value of A bar cross B bar plus B bar plus C is 0. Oh, null vector again. Is 0. Then what is the value of this M plus N he given? What is the value of M? No, regarding then he given. Then we should calculate the value. So not same model we should do. Okay. A cross B. Level 3, 11th question I am saying using the same concept. A plus MB, 11th question. A bar plus MB bar is equal to minus NC bar given. Value A cross B plus B cross C plus C cross A is equal to 0 also the data he given. A plus B is equal to minus NC taken. Multiply here. Multiply by C bar. Multiply by C bar. We can get A bar cross C bar plus M into B bar cross C bar equal to 0. Let it be first equation. A plus B is equal to NC. Let it be first equation. Next, consider. Here I have taken consider A plus B is equal to minus NC. Like that for everything we should write. Consider. Here once again I am writing consider A bar plus NC bar is equal to minus MD bar. Now multiply for this one. Multiply B bar both sides. Multiply B bar both sides, then you can write A bar cross B bar plus N into C cross B. N into C cross B equal to 0. That implies you can write here A cross B is equal to minus N into C cross B. Minus N into C cross B. Here I am writing A cross C. Instead of A cross A, you can substitute A cross. Here I am writing that M into B bar cross C bar is equal to this one taken that side. It becomes minus of A cross C. So you can write here C bar cross A bar. Here I am writing instead of A cross B minus N into C cross B. So you can write here A bar cross B bar is equal to N into B cross C. So A cross B I changed in terms of B cross C, and C cross A also I changed in terms of B cross C. Now you can substitute the value in the given equation. Which value you should find out, let it be Roman number 1. This is second one. Substitute the value 1 comma 2 in Roman number 1. We get the value instead of A cross B, you can write here N into B cross C plus you write here simply B cross C plus instead of C cross A, you can write M into here M into B cross C, okay, equal to 0 bar. If we had taken common B bar cross C bar, total overall common, then you can write N plus 1 plus M is equal to 0 bar. If B cross in the product of two numbers, if this is total product equal to 0, this should be equal to 0 or this should be equal to 0. Then we conclude that if it is not 0, according to options, we can take here M plus N plus 1 equal to 0 is given as M plus N is equal to minus 1. M plus N equal to minus 1 is option. The same model we discussed. Next, let us in level 2. In level 2, now 12 completed, let us discuss about 13th question in level 2. Next, the 13th question he given, let A bar, B bar, C bar be 3 vectors satisfying A cross B is equal to 2A cross A. So many conditions given, but without conditions also we can do this sum. 13th one. 13th one, A bar, B bar, C bar are 3 vectors satisfying condition I am writing. Whatever the satisfied conditions he given, A bar cross B bar is equal to 2A bar cross C bar. Maybe this is no need, maybe print mistake. Modulus of A is equal to modulus of C is equal to 1, and here also print mistake you corrected, not B bar equal to 4, it is modulus B is equal to 4, correct the print mistake. Here the condition may be in any next other sum. This condition is no need, simply you put round, no need, not necessary, maybe print mistake. The conditions mod A equal to 1, mod C equal to 1, mod B equal to 4, and also the condition he given as modulus of B bar cross C bar is equal to root 15, and if he is giving the question as B bar minus 2C bar is equal to lambda A bar, then what is the value of lambda? B bar minus 2C bar is equal to lambda A bar, that's all. Now consider I am writing B bar minus 2C bar is equal to lambda A bar, squaring on both sides. Then it can be written as modulus of B square plus 4 into modulus of C square minus 4 B bar dot C bar is equal to lambda square A square. lambda square a square. So what is the value of modulus of b square? Here this is 16. 4 into this is 1 minus 4 into, you can write here b bar dot c bar is equal to mod b bar into mod c bar into cos of b comma c is equal to lambda square into a square, meaning itself is modulus of a square whole square. It is a 1 here. Now using this one, now consider writing b cross c. Modulus of b cross c you can written as mod b into mod c into sine of mod b into mod c into sine of b comma c is equal to root 15. What is the value of mod b? 4 into 1 into sine theta, you write here sine theta is equal to root 15. Then you can write here sine theta is equal to root 15 by 4. We need here cos theta. Cos theta formula root of 1 minus sine square theta, 15 by 16, 1 minus root 1 minus 15 by 16, it becomes 1 by 4. The value you substitute here. Then you can write here the value which we are considering regarding b minus 2c, squaring both sides. So b minus 2c whole square here you should write. b minus 2c whole square I am saying. b minus 2c whole square equal to lambda square a square. Here also I am writing as b minus 2c whole square. b minus 2c whole square is equal to 16 plus 4 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 4, because cos theta had written 1 by 4. Mod c value also 1 is equal to lambda square into 1. Here 4 and 4 get cancelled. 4 into mod b meaning itself is 4. So no need to write 1 second. 4 into 1 into 1 by 4. 4 I have written. Mod b into mod c into 4 into yes. 4 into mod b is this. So again 4. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So b minus 2 whole square. Lambda square is equal to 16 we got. So lambda is equal to plus or minus 4. Lambda equal to plus or minus 4 is given. Yes. It is the fourth option. Next, 14th question. According to quadratic equations, we should calculate the value of 14th question. Alpha, beta are the roots of equation x square plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0, and alpha a bar given and b bar given. A bar and b bar given in terms of alpha and beta. QE I am writing quadratic equation. Quadratic equation x square plus 2x plus 5. X square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Let us discuss about the summation of roots in the quadratic equation. Alpha plus beta, sum of roots is minus 2 minus b by a formula. Product of roots is c by a formula. Everyone know this. Next to this one also I am writing here alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Using this formula you can write the value alpha square plus beta square is equal to 4 minus 10. The value becomes minus 6. Now you write the data what he given. A bar is equal to alpha plus beta into I bar. A bar equal to alpha plus beta into I bar plus alpha beta into J bar. That is the A bar vector. Next B bar. The vector B bar he given as alpha beta into I bar plus alpha plus beta. Alpha beta into I bar plus alpha plus beta into J bar plus alpha square plus beta square into K bar. Then now you should calculate A cross B. Quadratic equation he given. Regarding from the quadratic equation we should get the data, and using this A bar and B bar we should calculate the value A bar cross B bar. That implies, now I am writing A bar is equal to, what is the value of alpha plus beta here? Minus 2. Now you can write here minus 2i plus alpha beta, product of roots I had written as 5j now B bar I am writing here. B bar is equal to alpha beta product of roots 5 we got 5I plus alpha plus beta is minus 2j and alpha square plus beta square calculated as minus 6k. Now you should calculate now we should find out the value A bar cross B bar using the determinant property. I am writing here minus 2, this is 5, this is 0 and this is 5, this is minus 2, this is minus 6. Using the data you can write here minus 30 I bar. Next minus j into 12, minus j into 12, simply minus j into 12, minus 12j plus k into 4 minus 25, 4 minus 25 minus 21k minus 38 minus 12j minus 21k is the third option in this question. Next 14 questions completed in this class. Let us continue level 2 classwork in next class and level 3 also. Okay.